Now, here is how you can reverse charge the iPhone to the AirPods. Let's get started. So, a lot of people might be wondering about this, and on the iPhone, we do not have the reverse wireless charging. So, placing the AirPods on the back of the phone simply doesn't work. It's not going to charge them, but you can use the cable method. And if you have that available, right, of course, it depends on your iPhone and a specific AirPods model. And, you might have the Lightning on both or the USB-C on iPhone and Lightning on AirPods. So based on that, you need to figure out your cable situation. But once you have the proper accessories in terms of the cable, you're going to simply plug it in to your phone as well as the AirPods, and you're going to notice that the AirPods start charging. So it is very useful in situations when you have your AirPods nearby and you want to listen to music and you're out of power. But of course, it is not supposed to be a long-term solution. It's still best to just charge your AirPods through a regular cable and a power brick or using the wireless technology. But as a backup, having the ability to connect your AirPods to the iPhone and get some power from the iPhone's battery is really just priceless in various different situations. So it is really nice. You just connect it this way and you can manage and check out the process. Of course, the battery charge can be managed through the battery widgets, so you can keep an eye out on the battery. But yeah, that's essentially everything I wanted to show you. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and found it useful. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll talk to you in the later videos.